Hi everyone, it's Danielle here from YL Sunshine Diamonds. I'm here in Caloundra at Kings Beach in Queensland, Sunshine Coast, Australia on a beautiful sunny morning. And I want to show you today what most people love to start with as their very first order, and it's only available on very first orders for new members. It's called the Premium Starter Bundle, or PSB, and this is what most of them look like. They come with this plus a diffuser. This is what you get in most of the premium starter bundles. Most of them start this way. You get the product guide, and the product guide has all the products in it with detailed explanation. Then you get the price list, and it has all the prices for wholesale and retail customers. So as you go through, you'll actually see the item code, you'll see the description of it, the size of it, the wholesale price, the retail price, the PV. The PV is the most important because most of our orders are on a PV system, and so we want most of our orders to be 50 PV for a minimum order or 100 PV to get commission. And then it'll tell you whether you're eligible to get them as ER points, essential rewards, or monthly points on your orders. And then if they're vegan or vegetarian. So the whole price list is great. Then what you get is the little starter bundle with some great information. Slide the cover off, and then inside you will find your treasure trove. There'll be some information in the little slip here, and then you pull out your little oils, which can actually come onto a little stand. They have a little stand if you want to display them in your house. And then you get your oils, and inside the pack you keep going, lift up the little ribbon, and in here are some more things. You get the 2 samples of Ningxia Red. Make sure you shake it and drink it. This is the Aroma Glide Roller Fitment, and it is actually to change all our oils into roll-ons. So you can actually change all your oils into roll-ons. You'll also get a Thief Spray, which is great for cleaning household areas, and the hand sanitizer, which I also like to use as my deodorant. So let me go through each of the starter bundles. Purchasing a PSB gives wholesale prices or a 24% discount, huge savings, and the option to start a Young Living business worldwide if desired. Remember to put my member number 110-9200 in the enroller and sponsor tabs when getting started, or use the member number of the person who introduced you to Young Living.